Alright, yo, what is up, guys? Yes, it is I, Faded Boy, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before I start this video, let me make sure that my thing is on mute so it doesn't make any noise. But yeah, it is I, Faded Boy. But anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. This one, because I haven't did a money making video for a long time. I remember when I used to do videos on how to get like PayPal money and that and stuff. So, I found this app that is legit. I fully tested it and everything. I can even show you guys proof. Yeah, I'll show you guys proof at the end of the video. And yeah, so yeah, as you guys can see, I'm using like a different like recording app, so I'm not really used to this. So yeah. Okay. So on this app here, you basically watch videos. And well, you don't have to watch videos, you can like just keep on scrolling down, and as you guys can see, there's a timer down there. So basically you get chests like every few minutes, and like, when you get the chests, you can open them, guys, and then you can get like either either coins, which you can exchange to like wallet, like cash basically, or you could just buy chests and stuff. What I recommend, guys, is it's kind of a waste, but if you think about it, it's not. If you get £1, guys, and like you can't, of course you can't cash out at £1. The maximum is £10. But if it's your first time, you get to cash out 10p. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, 0.10. Yeah, whatever you guys want to call it. But yeah, so I rather you buy 4 diamond chests, guys. And then yeah, because you can actually get like wait, let me show you. Also, guys, my Wi-Fi is just a bit today, so yeah, yeah. Alright, so yeah, you can also like do these like things where you have to like guess like the highest amount and stuff. So yeah, so you get those from opening chests and stuff. And also, guys, before I say anything, yeah, in the description, guys, there's a link that you can download. It helps me out a lot, and it helps you guys out. Trust me, just trust me on this one, guys. I'm even gonna show you it. So yeah. Okay, look. Okay, so invite friends, right? See? So, okay, so you invite friends to get diamond chest. You could get iPad Pro. I think that part's a scam. And yeah. So as Right, guys, sorry about that, I'm back. But anyways, as I was saying, yeah. So if I invite you guys, I will get like a diamond chest, and you guys will get that as well. Diamond chest is like one of the best thing on the app. So yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, yeah. So yeah, that's about it, guys. And also, guys, there's like little games that you could play as well. And yeah, you could do like this whenever you have like clap coins or whatever you want to call it. You could do like these as well. You can win up to 10,000. But like I wouldn't recommend it, because like it's basically, yeah, I wouldn't really recommend it. So I'm not gonna go into that. So and also, yeah, you guys can do aquarium. I can't say it properly, sorry if I said it wrong. And you can also do quiz. So yeah, but be aware, like it's not easy, trust me. The quiz are not easy, trust me. Alright, so yeah, so let me show you guys what's in it. So yeah, so if you guys go onto this, yeah. Oh gosh, it's loading again. Come on. Alright, guys. Oh gosh. Alright, guys, it's not working, so I'll just skip that part. But anyways, guys, once you go into the app here, you guys will understand, trust me. So yeah, make sure you guys download the app from using my link in the description. It's actually a very good app, guys. Basically getting paid for like watching videos and laughing and stuff, and get chests. And there's also a way that you could like basically get points for doing nothing. Like, you don't even have to touch anything on your screen. But I'll probably do that next video if you guys are interested, guys.